Hi guys, this is Malika Show, and today I went to the pool, and now I'm in the car. Now I am wet still on me here, and I got 2 of these fidget spinners, and I'm gonna sell them. But I gotta find the boxes, or I can donate them. It's the same thing as selling or donate them. Yeah, I think it is. I'm like, huh? I was like, what the huh? And then she's like, no way. And I don't care. You just say, no. But today, I don't know.
What if I come in actually a little bit early and you meet me there? Can you slide me in the back?
What I was about to say. I don't know what sound does it make because what does that say? What the heck? You heard that? But we're gonna hear this noise than this noise. So let's try this first. Wait. Okay, but y'all can't see me. Okay. Now, let's hear this one. This one is like the real one, right? Now let's try the white one. It sounds difficult. It almost sounds like this. Wait, it almost sounds like this. This. Then this. This one sounds lighter, then this one sounds dark, like lower. Because I think this one's light and this is heavy. Because when you do this, it's like, oh, I know. Because if this isn't here, that means it's heavy. And like if these little things are in there, it's not. Because I know which one is heavy. This one is heavy because this has the big circle on it. And this one has has 2 big circles on the front and the back. So that means I know this one is lighter. So I know this one. Bye. Oh wait, I didn't mean to say bye. But these fidget spinners, that I like, but they should have never built the fidget spinners and put them on commercials and stuff. And I want to get a Bluetooth one, but I don't want no fidget spinner. They're always bringing them to school and not paying attention and taking from people. Why? That's so dumb. Is it dumb? Why is it dumb? Because I'm dumb. Thanks. Wait. But thanks, guys, for watching. Thank you. Bye. I said bye.
What's the number? I don't know what I put at the I know not his number. What's his name?
Thank you for watching this channel. Subscribe Malika Boo channel from Coke Lip Balm. Thank you for watching.